Um, I will speak properly and respectfully. Again, sir. Uh, no, I cannot leave the military base without permission from a higher ranking officer or unless I'm assigned to a mission or duty outside the base.
Hold on, let me check my body cam.
No, sir. Military vehicles are strictly for official duties only. Yes, sir. I fully agree. I understand that following chain of command is critical to Army discipline and RP realism. That's all, sir.